Hello, Sunrise Ridge Intermediate School. This is Brett Gifford. Today we're going to go over the CSIP and logging on. You start by entering this into the website, csip.washk12.org. From there, our username is SRIS, and the password is 303SRIS. Once you've logged on, you can now click the year. So you could go back and check different years with the GVCs and different items, or click on the current year. From here you would select a course. I'm going to select Other for today. And from this course you can select different categories. I'm going to go with School Leadership. Once you've clicked that, you'll be given the different options. So we currently have 3 GVCs. If I wanted to add a 4th GVC, I would click on this little plus sign and it would add the next GVC. And as you're doing these GVCs, it kind of guides you through each section, what that information is, the learning targets, the common formative assessments, the number that were assessed, information that we can share with a Google Doc, interventions that might have taken place, as well as some learning extensions that may be happening, and then some keepers and things that you might change. Also, as you get discussing information with teams, there's a link in a section that says Team PGP. When information has been typed in there, this tab will turn green. When it's green, we know that things have been added. But by clicking on this, there's some different resources you can use. The UTaught Teaching Observation Tool has a link that you can click on where it will show you the different standards. There is also this template here that you can click on that kind of guides your team through some questions to consider when discussing specific things you may be working on as a team for the year. It will then give you the Google Doc that you can copy and paste into this and save it. So from this information, you can have your Team PGP saved from the Google Doc. That is all on the CSIP for today. Thank you.